Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmoy Biswas. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry, the Mystery of Molecules. So today we will discuss a comparative study of carbocation. Means actually better to say it's a all are highly stable carbocation. In this video I suggest you please remember the structure of this carbocation and remember why they are stable, because carbocations are generally not that much stable species, but they are very stable. And why they are very stable, what are the factors responsible for their stability? Okay, so actually you will find mainly plus I plus R, hyperconjugation, aromaticity. These four factors are mainly responsible, and another thing is responsible for the counter anion, because see here I am written carbocation, but they are very reactive species. They can't live alone, they need to have a counter anion. Okay, generally non-nucleophilic bases or non-nucleophilic anions like PF6, PF6 minus, BF4 minus, SBF6 minus, SBF6 minus, ClO4 minus, those are the counter anion because they are very stable. And another thing, remember previously carbocation stability was determined using superacid media, because the counter anion for superacid, for example perchloric acid, this perchlorate anion is very stable. Okay, that's why they don't disturb these carbocations. Otherwise, if the counter anion itself is not stable, then it will try to combine to the carbocations and it will reduce the stability of the carbocation. So so this will be a very short video, student, because I decided to make shorts. And if you want to more details, individual many video about carbocations are uploaded. Please visit them accordingly. Now look at this. This is actually a methoxymethyl cation, and why this is stable? Because this oxygen has lone pair which donates, and through plus R effect means CH3O CH2, this is stable. In this case every atom has electron, because carbocation all are 6 electron species. In this case after this canonical form every atom is octet filled, that's why they are stable. And actually from where this is obtained? This is obtained from methoxymethyl chloride or mom chloride. This is a very famous compound. Okay, and this is active for both SN1 and SN2. Please remember. Fine. So this is stable, and actually this compound is stable than benzylic 2 PHCH2 plus. Why this is stable? Because in case of benzylic the positive charge is delocalized into the phenyl ring, but where the positive charge actually is, that is a 6 electron speed carbon. But in this case every atom is octet filled, that's why this is more stable than benzylic. Similar thing, this is where you have observed Wills-Meyer-Hack reaction. I have already described in a dedicated lecture. So this is the intermediate carbocation in Wills-Meyer-Hack reaction, and why this is stable? Because this nitrogen lone pair is donated here, and after that, similar like the previous one, means here all the atoms are octet filled, that's why this is stable. Now you can think that sad, this benzene ring doesn't involve in the stabilization of this carbocation. Obviously involved, but contribution of this is more because every atom is octet filled like the previous one. Okay, so in this case this is resonance is responsible. Why? Because resonance stabilizes the carbocation and every atom is octet filled. Fine, we understand. Now what about the tertiary butyl? By the way, I have already uploaded a dedicated lecture on the stability comparison, tertiary versus benzylic. Which one is more stable? Obviously tertiary is more stable because it has both plus I effect and hyperconjugation. Plus I effect means this 3 sigma bond donates electron to the central carbon, and hyperconjugation means total 9 hydrogen are available. 3. So 9 hydrogen are available, and hyperconjugation are called non-bonded resonance. So in this way this tertiary butyl carbocation is stabilized. The stability is significantly higher. Fine. In this case is hyperconjugation available? Obviously plus I effect is there through sigma bond, but not hyperconjugation available. Why? Because there are all the hydrogens are replaced by CH3 group, but still it is significantly stable. Fine. Now it is also tertiary carbocation, but in this case there is a cyclopropane ring attached. Actually if you look at the cyclopropane rings, they have Barana bond. Barana bond means this bond is actually, this sigma bond is bent and having more p character, means this one. Not like that. This is this one. So here the p orbital means actually carbocation means vacant p orbital having the positive charge. So and these are actually filled bond pair are there, so they can undergo resonance, means combine, and in this way see 3 resonance, 3 stabilization option possible because 3 cyclopropane rings are there. So that's why this is significantly stable. Now, this is actually some unique example because it is a 2-degree carbocation. Why this is stable? Because in this case, remember non-classical carbocation, and I shall discuss this thing in details later. So how this is stabilized? Because this bond migrates, and when such kind of cases arise, student, I suggest you while drawing, please keep the other thing as it is, which are not directly involved in this migration. So now what happens? Since this one migrates there, so what happens? This. So now this. So in this way, overall, the positive charge is delocalized. You can consider like this and this. So positive charge is here, positive charge is here. In this way, the carbocation is stabilized. This is a non-classical carbocation, unique example. Now, fine, we have understood that part. Now this, see, if you compare this benzylic versus this triphenyl methyl, which one is more stable? Obviously this, because this carbocation is adjacent to 3-phenyl group, and through plus R conjugation, this 3-phenyl will stabilize this carbocation. And by the way, remember this carbocation has a unique property because its parent compound, that is trityl chloride, means triphenyl. This chloride is used for selective detection of primary alcohol, like in glucose, in presence of secondary alcohol. Primary selectively attached to carbocation because of its bulkiness. So selective protection of primary alcohol would possible using this. So fine. Now this carbocation is very stable. Why? Because 3-phenyl attached. Now, is it possible to increase the stability? Yes. How? By introduction of nitrogen. Why? Because if when you introduce one nitrogen, nitrogen will push its lone pair in this way. Okay, so carbocation will be further stabilized, and actually its chloride salt, that is crystal violet, is water soluble dye. So just remember, carbocation remaining as a cation like sodium plus. So it's a very stable. So this is a water soluble dye. So in this case, what is the stabilization factor responsible in this case? That is plus R effect or resonance, and all these two are benzylic stabilization. Fine. Now come to here. This is cyclopropane ring, and this is cyclopropenium cation, this is tropylium cation, and this is stabilized by aromaticity according to Huckel rule, that is 4n plus 2 number of pi electron. Here 2 pi electron, here 6 pi electron, and both are stable due to aromaticity. Now, in this case, if you compare this, which is more stable, tropylium or cyclopropenium? Obviously, tropylium is more stable. Why? Because in this case, the plus charge is delocalized over 7 carbon atom, and in this case, 3 carbon atom. Point number 1, and point number 2. See, the angle is 60 degree. The angle is more here. So this is actually suffering for angle strain. That's why this is slightly less stable compared to the tropylium cation. So this is the overall discussion, student. I know this is a very brief, since I have already uploaded dedicated lectures for the stabilization of carbocation, superacid and non-nucleophilic bases. So please visit those things for better understanding. So thank you for watching. I suggest you please remember these things such that you can perform exam in well, and if you want, please support my channel through either Patreon or YouTube member. So thank you again. Stay happy, stay blessed. See you in my next video.